What's up, bitches? I'm back with another one. Today we have the Jordan 4 Military Blacks. And as always, I'm late to the party, I know. But this time it's not my fault. I've won these last week. Right, and they were delivered today. It's like a whole week late. But I'm not mad. I mean, I still got my hands on them at retail. Therefore, I just want to say thank you, SNS, for giving me the opportunity. Because I took an L literally everywhere. Sneakers, size, and clothing. And there was a few others, and I just took it L, man. But as SNS, lucky enough, man, I won the raffle. Anyways, guys, I mean, here are the sneakers themselves. Fantastic. Brilliant. Amazing. In love. Wow. Yes. I'm just looking for words to describe this sneaker. I mean, it feels very high quality. I'm telling you, it is amazing. You can feel it as you're holding these sneakers. You don't have to look at them. I mean, I could blindfold you and you just touch the sneaker and you would feel the quality of the sneaker. It is insane. The leather is soft. It's tumble leather. It just wraps around the entire sneaker. And everywhere you look, I mean, there are some plastic pieces here and there. But even the plastic panels and pieces are high quality and very well made. But everywhere you look, you will see a bit of leather. Everywhere. Even the suede. It feels very soft to the touch. It feels very nice. I mean, I think they've killed it with this one. I mean, I really, really like it. Definitely one of the best releases this year, if not the best Jordan in general to release this year, in my opinion. But anyways, guys, I mean, that's it for today. That's it with these sneakers. If you have any questions, please let me know below. And let me know, guys. I mean, did you manage to cop? Did you take it out? And if you took it out, I mean, would you cop at resale? And at the current prices, they're not looking too bad. Because they're going around the 300 mark. Would I have paid resale if I took an L? Maybe. I don't think I would pay anything more than that, but the 300 mark is just right. So yeah, and I will see you guys on the next one.